Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. When s approaches to number 0, we put number 0 cone here. So we have the integration from 0 to number 0. You got number 0. If we put number 0 cone here, fn number 1 equals to number 0. So we have 0 over 0. So we can use about F hospital. That means we need to do first derivative on numerator and denominator. So we have the formula in here. So if we do first derivative of this one, we need to do first derivative of b, and the value of b we change for t, minus we do first derivative of 8, and the value of 8 we change for t. Now we can apply the formula in here. This one we have 1 over s plus number 1. So this one that is about the constant. So you got number 0. This one we have number 1. And now we can simplify. So I will put s plus number 1 cone here. And now we have the final answer. So we calculate this one. And we have number 0. This is the end. Thank you for watching.